The Megalong Shopping Mall in Donggongon has recently re-emerged as a vibrant commercial hub with the grand opening of 3 significant anchor tenants, One Stop, Ninso, and Ware+Houz. This revitalization marks a pivotal moment for the local economy and community, highlighting the importance of anchor tenants in driving foot traffic and enhancing the overall shopping experience. The presence of these popular brands not only attracts consumers, but also encourages smaller retailers to establish themselves within the mall, fostering an environment conducive to economic growth. One Stop is recognized for its diverse range of products that cater to various consumer needs, while Ninso offers affordable household items, appealing particularly to budget-conscious shoppers. Ware+Houz complements this mix by providing unique homeware solutions that enhance lifestyle choices. Together, these anchors create a synergistic effect that improves customer satisfaction and increases dwell time within the mall. Research indicates that malls with strong anchor tenants experience higher sales per square foot than those without. This phenomenon underscores the strategic importance of attracting reputable brands when planning retail spaces. Moreover, Megalong Shopping Mall is expected to generate employment opportunities and stimulate local businesses in the area. As consumer habits evolve post-pandemic, shopping centers must adapt by offering experiential retail options alongside traditional shopping avenues. The successful launch of One Stop, Ninso, and Ware+Houz on the 5th October 2024 signifies not only a return to normalcy but also an opportunity for innovation in retail strategies that align with contemporary consumer preferences.